What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of McGrath Fishing. Tonight we're gonna do another cooking video. Cooking up a little pheasant today. Getting in the kitchen, getting after it. Hey, honey, what's the difference between my penis and my paycheck? I don't gotta beg you to blow my paycheck.
Are you excited? Tell me you're excited.
I'm so excited.
Use one word to describe your enthusiasm for today.
Excited.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Tommy McGrath. For those who are new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit the subscribe button right down here. Guys, we're gonna mix the videos up today. We're not gonna be ice fishing. It is, what's today's date, Lou?
The 2nd, January.
January 2nd. I got Meg right here. We are actually at my sister's house, my brother-in-law and sister's house. We filmed a video back in March doing a venison cook. And it actually ended up doing really good towards this deer season because we filmed it in March and it started doing really good. So I wanted to do a video on cooking. I don't know if we're gonna be doing venison tonight, but we are definitely gonna be doing pheasant. My brother-in-law, he'll talk about it in a little bit. He went out pheasant hunting, killed a bunch of them. So now we're gonna be doing some cooking episodes today. A little bit of vlogging with Meg, my sister, and also Jake. So I would show you the deer that my brother-in-law's dad just shot. It's in the barn. It's actually hanging right now, fully skinned, but I really think I'd get demonetized if I do show that. So I don't know, I might run a poll on my Instagram and then see, and then if I can show up. But I'm excited to film today's video. I think it's gonna be a good one. I love filming cooking videos, and it's the second. We head to Mille Lacs, Minnesota on January 7th, the night of, me and Trevor. So I really wanted to get this video done, film it, and like I said, I just love filming cooking videos, and they usually do pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Sit back, grab a beer if you guys are of age. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and let's get today underway. Meg? Peasy sit. Peasy sit. Peasy paw. Good girl. Peasy other one. Peasy sit. Peasy sit. Peasy sit. Paw. Good girl. Will, what do you think of your dad's new hairstyle?
Great, like lock hairstyle.
Rock and roll.
Welcome back to ice fishing.
No, remember?
Another episode of glass fishing.
Perfect. My brother-in-law, my girlfriend Meg, and my sister Meg. And then Cam.
Alright, what's up, everybody? Tommy wanted me to do another wild game cooking video for you guys, so today we're going to do a little bit of pheasant. I have never really cooked too much pheasant before, but we're going to give it a go today. We shot a couple pheasant at the Hunt Club, McCollum Lake Hunt Club, the other day. So we got 8 pheasant breasts here today. We're going to do some pheasant roll-ups, jalapeno roll-ups, and see how it turns out. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take the pheasant breasts, we're going to cut them up into little bite-sized pieces, because this is going to kind of be finger food. Then we're going to take our pickled jalapenos. We're going to take the liquid from the jalapeno jar and we're going to marinate the pheasant in that for about 20 minutes or so. And then we're going to take some slices of bacon, cut them into thirds, wrap them up, jalapeno pepper, a little piece of pheasant, and some bacon. Wrap them up on some skewers and throw them on the grill. See how it ends up.
I got that on camera.
Only the thick cut. That's how it's done, boy. That's money, dude. Alright, we got the pheasant cut up in the bowl. Little bite-sized pieces. Now we're going to add the juice and the jalapenos. That's going to be our marinade. Let that marinate about 20 minutes, and then we'll finish wrapping them up. Running low, high octane engine can't run on low octane fuel, you know what I mean? Alright, we had this pheasant marinating for about 20 minutes or 2 cocktails, whichever way you look at it. Now we're gonna cut this bacon up into thirds. Chop chop.
Just drink your drink.
Cut the bacon up into thirds. Take a piece of pheasant, piece of bacon, slice of jalapeno, roll that bad boy up. Then we're gonna stick all of them on skewers. Make sure you soak your skewers so you don't start them on fire when you stick them on the grill. Stick them on there one at a time. Put probably half a dozen, 5 or 6 or whatever on each skewer. And then we're gonna stick them on the grill.
Cam, what do you think about pheasant?
Delicious.
Good.
Good.
So Jake, what do you got the grill set at?
Medium heat, probably somewhere around like 350 degrees. I don't know, 10 minutes, flip it, another 10 minutes or so, till the bacon's cooked, and then we should be good to go.
All right, so we just slapping these on?
Slapping them on.
Let go high.
My feet are burning water.
Hang on, Will.
Are they cold, Will? There's no way your feet are cold. My feet are even cold. I'm gonna put on my feet.
Alright guys, I've never had pheasant ever, and we're about to try it. Everything is done right here. I'm gonna give this a go in just a second, and then so is everyone here. Alright guys, the first bite. I did it pretty solid. I like the jalapeno taste too in it. Solid A-. Carl's gonna be the one person that really gives you the true, honest truth.
Well, I'll have to live up to with that review right there, but yeah. Here's the smokiness of the bacon. No gamey taste from the bird, which is a plus. Get a little back end heat from that jalapeno. Give it an 8.6 out of 10. Solid done for first attempt.
All right, first attempt. A little drier than I'd like. I think I would have done a little less time on the grill, but first time trying it, not too bad. I definitely think it's a good way to do pheasant. I like it. Good thing for tailgates or anything like that.
Yeah, no, I honestly think the best part is probably the spiciness. The spiciness with the bacon, a little bit dry, but the spiciness is what does it for me. I like spicy food, so.
I love bacon.
First attempt,
Nice little things too, Tommy.
little D Mike.
Nice and tender.
What do you think about the spiciness? The jalapeno in there.
It's a little spicy.
What would you give it, not being a rookie score?
Like a 9.
9 out of 10?
It was a rookie
Pretty
score.
good.
So A-, so I said the same thing, A-. He said 8.6. He still got a little D Mike. And then Jake likes it as well. You like it?
Really good.
Better or worse than the venison? I know it's hard to compare bird to deer, but if you can try and compare them. Can't?
It's just as fresh as it gets. Too good. No comparison.
Alrighty. Overall thoughts?
Pretty dry. But all depends. We got distracted on the grill, so it's still good though.
You like it?
I'm still gonna finish it.
You end up throwing it up?
Yeah, definitely.
It's the alcohol, not the food.
The egg roll's not the ecstasy.
Alright guys, we ended up just chilling for the rest of the night. It's actually the next day. I just wanted to give like my parting thoughts, everything like that. I thought the recipe was really good. I would definitely do this again. I'd be intrigued by how much better it would be if we undercooked them just a little bit, but Jake got distracted because he had to squeeze the limes for Meg and Meg, of course. So I would definitely do this again though. I really liked it. I liked the spiciness. It wasn't too gamey. You didn't really have like that gamey bird taste. The Old Bay seasoning, the bacon, it was just like a perfect food that I would actually make myself. I'm gonna be getting into a lot more hunting in this year in 2021. So I'm gonna do a lot more like cooking videos like this and hopefully hunting videos if I don't get demonetized for doing that. So alrighty, well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to enter my giveaway at McGrath Fishing on Instagram. I'll pop it up right here. We're giving away $1,420 value giveaway, 2 GoPros, $200 cash, a St. Croix rod, a Daiwa reel, a bunch of other things. So just go check it out. And yeah, if you guys do decide to do this recipe, DM me at McGrath Fishing, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys thought. If you guys have any questions about the recipe or any little things, just leave a comment, or again, just DM me at McGrath Fishing. I never not respond to any DMs or comments. I always try and stay ahead of my comments, and also I've never not responded to a DM on Instagram. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to yet again another episode. We are actually in Mille Lacs right now as you are guys watching this video. Hopefully we are catching walleye and frying them up. So please remember to leave a like, hit that subscribe button. 2 videos every single week, Tuesdays and Fridays at 5 o'clock p.m. And we are out.
I Ice, ice, baby.
Let's see those foot moves again. Whoa! Oh! You fall.